Donna Jordan from Howard Hanna Real Estate Services here to give you a tour of 8220 Beehive Circle in Liverpool. We're located in Fairway East in the town of Clay, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the outside of this home. We've got an extra parking space on the double wide, and gosh, got to be 3 or 4 car long, beautiful driveway on this large corner lot. I'm going to take you around the back before we go inside and show you the beautiful outdoor space. This is located on the corner of Beehive and Honeysuckle in Fairway. The home is equipped with central air conditioning, which the owners have covered for the season. And here we have this beautiful retreat. It is a Stampcrete patio with a privacy shadow box fence. There's a new sliding glass door. The exterior of this home has been recently painted. And I'm going to just pan around so you can see. Look at this beautiful yard. Lovely space to enjoy, entertain. Nice, tasteful, and very low maintenance landscape plants. Come around again, and I'll just show you the beautiful yard. We're going to come up to the front porch, which is a nice open porch. You've got room for a chair and a table or a few chairs. Nice heavy storm door. And come in. I'm going to take my shoes off because I don't want to mess up the beautiful laminate flooring that is throughout the first floor. Lovely, low maintenance flooring. We're going to look over here into the garage real quick. This is the inside of the 1-car attached garage. There's your new garage door opener. The garage door, and it's a 1-car door, but there you can see the bump out on either side, which gives you ample room for lawnmowers, garbage cans, bicycles, whatever you need to keep in your garage. First thing we're going to see off the entryway is this lovely updated, nice light fixture, beautiful pedestal sink, new flooring, and commode in the half bath. Really very nice. From here, we're going to move to the updated and beautiful kitchen. There's a recurring theme throughout this townhome, and it is lots of storage space. So this is a pantry right here, and I will open that in a minute and show it to you. You've got granite countertops with updated cabinetry, really nice 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, coordinating refrigerator, built-in dishwasher, beautiful sink, nice and deep. You could fit a whole cookie sheet in there. I'm going to come around this way so you can see the kitchen from this side. You have this lovely breakfast bar off the kitchen that goes into the dining and living room combo room. Let's get this pantry opened for you. And we have a lovely pantry, tons of storage. This is the door to the basement. We're going to save that for last. Here is another closet. So if you need more storage, you've got it. And this is going to lead us to this fabulous dining room, living room combo. I'm going to come into the dining room. You can see the breakfast bar. I just want to point out, have you noticed this beautiful detail on the ceiling above the light fixture? Lovely light fixture in the dining area, but there's a beautiful starburst, kind of a medallion pattern on the ceiling. Very lovely and charming reading nook off the living room area. New sliding glass doors. I apologize, the sun is not cooperating. That is a wood-burning fireplace with stone surround. This is a great room. The stairs going upstairs, and now I can turn you around and give you another look out at that Stampcrete patio space. And this is the view out your yard. Lovely. All right, we're going to go upstairs. At the top of the stairs, you're greeted by yet another closet. Can never have too many closets. This is a very large walk-in closet. I'm going to show the footprint of the closet so you can see just how far back it goes, because it's hard to see when you're videoing a white closet how big it is. But this is a really big closet. There's also an open loft space. This is a 2-story foyer with a skylight. Lovely detail. There's enough room in this loft space for a desk and a chair, for a small office area. However you wanted to use it, it's ready. And then if I look over the foyer, there's the 2-story foyer going up to the very lovely skylight. Standing in the loft space, there's the top of the stairs. Everything in this home, neat and clean. Much of the carpeting is new, or newer, I should say, and has all been professionally cleaned, and the entire of the interior of the home has been freshly painted. This house is really move-in ready. This is a townhome that you can move right into. Bedroom number 1 is very good sized. I love the big windowsills too. Just the window nooks, the windowsills, lots of great details. And again, we have large closet. There's that footprint, so you can see just how far back that goes. Really nice. Pan around the room. There's the window. It's a big bedroom. We come down here, come around the corner to a very nicely updated bath, full bath, new tile floor. The vanity top and undermount sink have been updated. It's got a really nice tile surround and a tub. The mirror for this bathroom was taken off for painting. It's actually in one of the closets and it will be hung. I'm just going to move over here so I can show you the bathroom from the other side and show you that there is another closet. There is a linen closet in the bathroom. And again, the mirror will be hung. My apologies. Here is a nice, it's huge. I mean, that is a big linen closet. That is a ton of storage space, especially for being the linen closet in the bathroom. Because if that wasn't enough linen closet, there is also a linen closet in the hallway. There's the mirror for the bathroom. And there's an even bigger linen closet here. That's a walk-in linen closet in the hallway. Really nice. Nice master bedroom. Very light and bright. I tried to do this video earlier and it was actually too bright in here. You have another little reading nook, window seat in the master bedroom. What a fantastic feature to have in a master. This door goes to the bathroom. So you have a door that goes from the master bedroom directly into the bathroom, and then there's another door from the hallway that goes into the bathroom. There are 2 closets. And as you probably guessed, they are both generously sized. Nice big closets, and there are 2 of them. And now I'll take you back down the hallway. I'm going to show you the bathroom again so you can see that other door. There's the other door that goes directly into the master. Here is the hallway, the first bedroom that we were in, the loft space with the beautiful skylight, the walk-in closet, and then we're going to go downstairs back to the living room, dining room, and kitchen. We're going to go down to the basement. This is a very clean, very dry basement. There is a sump pump. And we have a washer and dryer, a furnace that was put in, Lennox furnace put in in 2014, and tons of room. This is a finishable space. There is lots of room down here. Add more living space, storage, a workout room. The ceilings are high enough that you could finish this quite nicely and still have ample headroom. There's the Lennox furnace, the washing machine, and the dryer. And I mean, it really, I'll give you a good look at the basement here because it's really great. This is an insulative product on the walls. And there's your laundry area. And back around again to the stairs. Try not to fall down the stairs on video. So that is our tour. And please contact your real estate agent if you have any questions. And thank you for joining us.